The printer's intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it easy to set up and operate, even for those who are not particularly tech-savvy. The printer's LCD screen provides helpful prompts and instructions, and the printer's buttons and control panel are clearly labeled and easy to navigate. The printer's high-capacity refillable ink system is also designed with ease of use in mind. The ink bottles are easy to refill, and the printer's ink tank system is designed to prevent spills and messes. In addition, the printer's ink levels are easy to monitor, so you always know when it's time to refill. Maintenance and support. Like all printers, the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 requires regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Fortunately, the printer is designed to be easy to maintain, with clear instructions and prompts provided through the printer's LCD screen. In addition, Epson provides excellent customer support for the EcoTank ET-2760. The printer comes with a 1-year limited warranty, and Epson's customer support team is available to help with any questions or issues you may have. Epson also provides a variety of online resources, including user manuals, facts, and video tutorials, to help you get the most out of your printer. TFTUC Va Kong Trung Lap. Cost savings. One of the most compelling reasons to consider the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 is its potential for cost savings over time. The printer's high-capacity refillable ink system is designed to reduce ink costs over the long term, compared to traditional inkjet printers that use expensive ink cartridges. While the upfront cost of the EcoTank ET-2760 may be slightly higher than other inkjet printers, the potential savings on ink costs can make it a more cost-effective choice in the long run. According to Epson, the EcoTank ET-2760 can save users up to 90% on ink costs compared to standard inkjet printers. This is largely due to the high-capacity refillable ink system, which can print up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color with just one set of EcoTank ink bottles. This can translate to significant savings for those who print frequently, especially in a home or small office setting. Environmental impact. In addition to its potential cost savings, the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 is also designed with the environment in mind. The printer's refillable ink system can help to reduce waste by eliminating the need for disposable ink cartridges. In addition, the printer is ENERGY STAR certified, which means it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. TFTUC Va Kong Trung Lap. Limitations. While the Epson EcoTank ET-2760 is a great printer overall, it does have a few limitations that may be important to consider before making a purchase. For example, the printer's paper handling capacity is somewhat limited. It can hold up to 100 sheets of plain paper or 20 sheets of photo paper, which may not be enough for some users who print frequently. In addition, the printer's scanning capabilities are somewhat limited. While it does have a flatbed scanner, it does not have an automatic document feeder, ADF, which can make it more time-consuming to scan multiple pages at once. This may be a drawback for those who need to scan large documents or frequently scan multiple pages. Finally, while the printer's print quality is generally excellent, it may not be the best choice for printing high-quality photos. While the printer can produce decent photo prints, it may not be able to match the print quality of more specialized photo printers. Comparison to other printers. To provide a more comprehensive review of the Epson EcoTank ET-2760, it's important to compare it to other printers in its class. One printer that is often compared to the EcoTank ET-2760 is the HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E.